The exercise, we're going to use these pool weights. And so in the pool, you can just get into a slight squatted position with your back supported against the pool. And then here, we're just starting with straight pull downs. So you're bringing the weight all the way back to the wall. And then you're controlling it back to the surface, but never let the weight come out of the water. Keep the tension on the whole time. Core tight, back pressed into the wall, actively engaging your legs and your core. And it's just pulling straight down, up and down for the set amount that's recommended. Just control the whole movement throughout, not making any splashes. Make sure to breathe. So the next thing we'll do, we're going to use the box. We're going to do side steps over the box. So again, if you're not in a pool that's situated like this, use the box closer to the side of the pool so that way you can use the support if needed. This exercise is meant to challenge your balance, so try to not rely on the side of the pool. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to step up and over. So as you can see in the screen, and the first part is just up and over and down. So just up and over, and then back down. And you complete this for the set number of repetitions that was given. Then the progression would be, I'm stepping up and over on the box, and then I'm not touching my heel down to the ground all the way. You see how my heel's hovering, and then I'm back over. So up and over, let the heel hover, and hold it for a second, and then come back down. And so once you complete one side, you can go to the other side, and then come over onto facing the other direction.